That's one way to bypass it here.
Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Central Oregon Shenanigans. Today, we're dissecting a 66 Mustang for a full restoration. Is what you're doing. My brother-in-law, Heath. And so we're yanking the 302 out. We're yanking out the C4 automatic transmission with all the other goodies in the engine bay, I'm assuming. So this thing can go under the knife and get painted here in the next month. 2 weeks? 2 months? 2 months. He's already ordered some new wheels and tires for this old girl, which I like a lot. They look really time appropriate for this thing. New rubber, new wheels. It's a 66. It's been in his family for a very long time. I'm pretty sure his grandpa was the second owner of the Mustang. It was a California Mustang before coming up to Oregon. I've had the opportunity to drive it over the years. I think Heath's had it for like probably a decade now. And he's done all the chassis work, suspension, brakes, shocks. He dialed all that in. They actually put this motor in out of, I do believe, he said it was like a Ranchero or something like that, that this motor came out of. And this motor runs really well, as you heard in the video of him backing in. Scott's back on the channel.
Hi.
Scott's down. It's Easter Sunday weekend. So we're going to get started here in a minute. I'm going to get you guys set up on a non-tripod situation because I brought my tripod, but I didn't bring something to actually set the camera up on. But we're going to put it up on 4 jack stands, it sounds like, and somebody's going to be underneath there disconnecting. I think we're going to try pulling in the engine and the transmission all in one bite. So let's get all set up, and we'll see you in a minute. I never knew that was a thing.
Jeff actually said he wanted it on for painting.
All right, we got the hood off. Scott's working on these supports. I guess you would, I don't know what you would call those.
I don't really know.
Strut tower supports?
Yeah, it could be.
Shock tower supports?
I actually think I'm just going to do the front. I can't think of anything we got to get to in the back that's got to be lifted.
Nope, just the U-joint. I'd set the emergency brake if you're going to leave the rear on the ground. And throw some jack stands on the front, set her down, call her good. All right, already 15 minutes or so into it. We got the top of the engine wiring harness off and tucked away over there. Looks like Scott's got the throttle linkage disconnected. Scott and I also got the exhaust manifolds undone from the drop pipes down to the exhaust pipes to the manifolds, or disconnected. I'm gonna work on the alternator next. Batteries ground next. Disconnect the power steering. Jump underneath and undo the towers. Then we'll go underneath, do the drive line. Drive line and hardware for transmission. We're gonna go ahead and pick this as one unit. One unit pick here. Tranny and engine. All right, guys, so it looks like we're pulling the radiator out as we speak, and then we've got alternator disconnected. We've got exhaust, main engine wiring up here up on top. I think we got power steering pump left to disconnect. Drive line and engine towers, engine mounts. We're gonna go ahead and try pulling this. Heath says it comes in and out with the core support in. That's why he put it in about a decade ago. 10 years ago. So what did this engine come out of, Heath? A Ranchero?
A 68 Ranchero.
68 Ranchero.
But I think it in turn came out of a 72 Fairlane.
Gotcha. And it was a 2V motor originally, or was it a 4-barrel?
think it was always a 4-barrel.
Gotcha. But you just upgraded
Well,
with
in my lifetime.
And you're 100% sure this is a 302? I thought that the 289 manifolds didn't, the intake manifolds didn't fit a 302.
No, 302 is a 289 that's been bored out.
Maybe it's the 351 that the 289 and 302 stuff doesn't bolt to. I can't remember. This is a Performer 289.
Mm-hmm.
And then you're 347 stroking this. You've made your mind up?
Pretty sure. We'll see.
Right on. Well, guys, we did pretty good. We forgot two things. The kickdown, which was not visible on this one. It was a weird little linkage with a cable down there. And we forgot about tail shaft drainage. As you can see all the ATF down there on the ground. That'll clean up. And then we've also forgot about the range sensor. I think you still call them a range sensor back. Basically, your reverse lights is all that does back in these older years. So once we get that out, we'll go up and over, and we got ourselves a dissected motor and transmission.
Wait.
Alright, you want to get a tire to set it in? Nice big squishy 35 to sit in. Maybe. It's going to be somewhere right there.
Well, that's gonna be fucked because that's.
Got the business in here. Well, there you have it, guys. Engine pull in one day. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next time on Central Oregon Shenanigans. Do not forget to go over and check out the Fox Shop. Give John a shout out and tell him I sent you. Anyway, guys, we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.